and that is just snapping your lid open. Okay? Whoop. There you go. Snapping your lid open. Really, really simple to do, and that's what this video is. I'll just, that first move where I pop the top open, okay, and then from, once I light whatever I have to do, I'll do this move to close it. What I'll do is I'll actually just grip onto the lid here, give it a little spin around, and then close it like that. Let me more. Friend next to you or a couple seats down needs a light. Take out your zippo, flip it open, rest it on the bar, and slide it over and light it for him. Cool, huh? Very simple to do. Right here, I don't want to scratch it, so let me grab a coaster and just give you a little demonstration of the move. Hold it backwards like this, okay? That's how it's going to look. You're actually lighting when I first bought a Zippo. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Really. Really simple to do. Very effective.
Come up, and then when you come down, you're gonna open like that. Open it with your finger, and when you hit the hand or whatever you're gonna use, you strike down. So I'll kind of show you. That's all you're doing. You're just going. I use my middle finger for that, but to open it, index finger coming down, and then move. And when you hit your whatever surface you're hitting down, it'll just bring your finger down automatically, and you'll strike it just like that. That's all you're doing. Oh, stay lit there. That's all you're doing. Just kind of a neat little trick to open it. It's easy.
It's going to be on the twilight zone. This is how the trick looks. You're going to light your Zippo. You're going to steal the flame away, hold it in your hand, and then give it back. Very simple to do. I'll show you how to do it right now. This will snap, and this is what it looks like. Pretty simple to do. I want you guys to keep in mind too, when you get it, stick around and I'll do a quick little breakdown of all the little parts that go into doing the trick. So first, here's the trick. Here's how it looks. Very simple to do. Now I'm going to show you a little instant replay. Another simple move. This is how it looks. And this one's called the Ferris wheel. So here's how the trick looks. Alright guys, well this move is pretty straightforward. The reference, it's not the official name for this trick, but anyway, here's how it looks. The spinning wheel, okay, which is actually pretty easy and a lot of fun to do. So here's what the trick looks like. Alright. what's up guys? Going to do a new... Hey, what's up guys? This is going to be another Zippo trick tutorial. It's a new one. This one's called the universal spin, or just simply universal spin. So here's how the trick looks. And now I'll show you that in slow motion. And then I'll do a breakdown of all the different parts of the move plus different variations of it. Okay, so you saw a layer of clothing that covers one thing. How we want to start off here is the Zippo upside down. As you can see, the hinge to our left, and then we'll go ahead and then break it down in parts and explain. Very simple, very straightforward in my opinion. You don't have a great view of this, so I'm going to try to do that again from the side. Alright guys, I'm going to give you a side view of that just because... Hey, what's up guys? I figured today I would do a new Zippo trick. Everyone's been patiently waiting. So today I'm using my old custom Zippo. This is an old replica Zippo that has an attached emblem to the front that came off another cheap lighter. So today's move is basically just something I came up with, like a lot of ballad song moves and Zippo tricks. If you come up with something that's brand new you've never seen before, it's not that hard to do, but you know, definitely takes some practice. Here's how it looks. Alright? So, you know, a lot of these simpler tricks. Alright, so the actual original. Hey, what's up guys? Another Zippo. Hey, what's up guys? Another Zippo trick for you today. This one's called Karate Kid. Alright guys, time to show you how to do the trick.